Hello friends, in this tutorial today we are going to learn how to draw the rectangles in PHP. So let us start. So here as usual first thing that we are going to do is that create the blank image using our image create function. So let us start. So first I will write $im is equals to image create. Now say suppose I want to create a blank image of 300 by 200 width and height. Close it, and in case the PHP fails to initialize the graphics, I'll write here or die, and within the die function I'll write the string cannot initialize graphics. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is that create the yellow color background image. For that I will use the image color allocate function. So I'll write here $back color underscore. So I'll write here $back underscore color is equals to image color allocate. Inside the bracket I'll write $im comma 255 255 120. Then I will be again creating two more variables with the color red and blue, and like I have shown you in the last tutorial, I will assign the value 255 in the red parameter, and in the blue parameter the final parameter will be 255. So this is our usual background. Now next, to draw the rectangle, I will be using the image rectangle function. So this image rectangle function, it takes 6 parameters. So the first parameter, as is indicated here, is our image resource variable. Then second and third are the x1 and y1 coordinates, and next two parameters are x2 and y2 coordinates, and the final parameter is a color parameter. Now let us say suppose I am interested in creating a red color rectangle. So I will write here image rectangle, inside the bracket first parameter $im. Then say suppose I'll give here x1 as 5, 10, 195, 50, then red. Now for example, I have taken this x1, y1 coordinates. You can play around with different values to get an idea how your rectangle will appear. Now we want to create an image and save this on hard disk. So as usual, I will write here image png. Within the bracket, I'll first give the im variable, comma, and let us say I want to name this as rectangle image.png. Close the bracket, and the last line should be our image destroy, which will free any memory associated with the image. And the last line here to display the image will be the echo command. So here in the double quotation, I'll write here the img tag, img src is equals to the name of the file that I have just given right now, rectangle image.png. Close the double quotation, save this and check the output on the web browser. So save this and let me run the PHP file. Now when you run this particular file, you will get the image which will be the empty red colored rectangle. Now in case you are interested in drawing a filled color rectangle, so for that I'll be using the image filled rectangle method. So here again image filled rectangle, it will take 6 parameters. So say suppose again I'll give here $im, 5, I will now change the y parameter so that both the rectangles do not overlap, 195, 140, $red, and save this, and again let us check the output here. So see now a filled red color rectangle has been drawn. So this is the way to draw the rectangle in PHP. Now in the next tutorial we will learn how to draw the ellipsis.